Do you want to delete a story in Messenger? You can remove your story in Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete your story on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Messenger, tap the Stories option at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, find your story and tap on it to open. While your story is playing, tap the three dots menu at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap the Delete option. Now, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete again to remove it. Your story will now be deleted and will no longer be visible to anyone on Messenger.